In this video, I'm going to show you how you can send and receive Bitcoin on Coinbase. I'll walk you through everything that you need to do. So we'll go to my computer now and I'll show you around. Okay, so the first thing you need to do here, step number 1, you need to go to coinbase.com and log into your account. I'm sure a lot of you, or pretty much all of you, have an account on Coinbase by now if you're watching this video. If you don't, you can go and sign up in the link in the description. But what you need to do on any of these windows, you should see in the top right, send/receive. So just go ahead and click on that, and it will open up a window here with 2 different options. You've got an option to send and an option to receive. So first we'll do send in Bitcoin. Now what you can do, you can send either all of your Bitcoin by clicking this button here, and it will send all of your portfolio, or you can send any amount. So say I wanted to send, let's say $12 in Bitcoin, I could do that. Then there's 3 boxes here of information that you need to fill out. The first one is going to be the Bitcoin address. So if you're sending Bitcoin to someone, you're sending Bitcoin to an offline wallet, or you're sending Bitcoin to a different exchange, you need to get the Bitcoin address of that wallet. So what you can do, for me, I'm on Binance and I can simply copy my address here, and your address would look something like this. You just need to make sure that you're sending it to a Bitcoin address, and you need to make sure that you've copied it correctly. So if you copy your address where you want to send the money to, you can just simply go ahead and paste that in here, and you can write a note that's optional. Once you've pasted it in, Coinbase will recognize that it's a Bitcoin address. So now we are paying with Bitcoin, and we can click on continue. So now we've got our wallet address, we're paying with Bitcoin, and you can see the network fee is this much Bitcoin. Now a quick tip, if you want to find out what the network fee is in dollars, just go ahead and copy it, open a new tab on your computer, and just head to a website called Preev.com, and then just simply paste in that amount. So you can see the network fee is currently 10 USD, or 10 cents, sorry. So with that in mind, you can see, and it also says here, I guess, you're paying $12.10, and it will be received in about 30 minutes. If you're happy with all of that, you can just simply click on send now, and that transaction will be sent. And then to receive Bitcoin, you would do the same thing. You would go to send/receive. You'd go to receive here. And now Coinbase will give you your wallet. This is your wallet address to Coinbase. So you can just go ahead and click on this and copy your wallet. And then if someone was sending you Bitcoin, you will give them this address. If you are moving Bitcoin from an exchange to Coinbase, again, you would type in this address here, or don't type it in, paste it in. Alternatively, if you're sending from your phone, you can scan this QR code here, and then it will simply load up this Bitcoin address. But that is literally all you have to do. Just make sure that you're sending and receiving Bitcoin to the correct address. Make sure you're only sending Bitcoin to a Bitcoin address, and Ethereum to an Ethereum address, and Luna to a Luna address, and so on. You can only send one coin to one address, so Bitcoin to Bitcoin, Ethereum to Ethereum, and so on. So make sure you enter it correctly, don't get confused with that. Please watch these videos here if it's helpful for you, and make sure you subscribe for more beginner crypto videos, and I'll see you in the next one.